Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got the Ace Hardware uh, monthly ad. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright, actually this is the weekly ad, not the monthly. So we got valid April 1st through April 15th, except as noted. It says the helpful place, Ace Hardware, spring sale, April 1st to April. Okay. Alright, the first page, let's look at the first page. We got a garden sprayer, 2 gallon, $13.99. Got some grills. Trying to look for tools here. So yeah, I guess they're having the spring sales. They're having grills and, you know, propane and ice coolers and stuff like that. Let's see here. Let's check out the next page. See if we got any tools. You got an Ace Hardware scuffle. Sorry, hole. We got a wheelbarrow here for $79. We got Ace spring brace rake or leaf rake. Let's see here. We got some tools, so they're at the last page. We got Craftsman high speed push mower, 21-inch cutting deck, brick Stratton, 140cc engine, mulch, rear bag, and side discharge for $219. I guess this is not a bad deal for $219. So next page. All right, here's the tools. It says your choice. Sorry, it's just this thing keeps popping up. Your choice, $119, $20 off with the card. So you do have to sign up for the rewards cards to get that. It's pretty simple. It's a real simple application. And you get that rewards card. And this one's your choice, $99.99 each. Either this tool set or the box. It reads Craftsman 6-drawer ball bearing tool center or 135-piece mechanics tool set. Red hot buy. Alright, it says your choice. $14.99 minus $5 with the card. It says circular saw blade, mini clamped 2-pack, screwdriver bit set, right angle bit set and extension. So you can have the choice of this nice bits. It looks pretty nice, or some clamps, Irwin clamps, or this blade here. I gotta get myself a blade. Seems like an okay deal. It says your choice, $4.99. We got a tape measure, and then we got some blades. We got a knife, a box cutter, and a pry bar. So those for $4.99. And then here at the bottom you got your choice, minus $5, $24.99. Black & Decker compact sheet sander, drill, angle grinder, or roto bit storage. Screwdriver. That's the last one. And you got this Milwaukee saw, reciprocating saw for $99.99. And it is corded, so it's not cordless. Alright guys, short video for today. I guess it's just a weekly ad, so maybe in a week or so they'll have a different ad. Alright, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.